Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explore More Learn. I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. Today's video can be useful for those people who want to learn to speak fast in English, as this video is about informal contractions in English. Wanna know what are informal contractions? Please do not skip this video today, as I'm explaining about informal contractions in this video. Hey, did you just notice I used informal contractions while introducing this video to you? No? Don't worry. Just watch this video and you can listen to me later on. So it's very clear by its name. Informal means which is not formal, which is more friendly, and contraction is a short form of the word. So informal contractions. So these are those words which are used in their short form when we speak more casually. So why do we use informal contractions in English? We use informal contractions to speak fast in English, and we use them when we speak informally, when we speak in more friendly way. And we do not use informal contractions in formal English and in written English. Alright? So informal contractions are not used in formal English and in written English. So whenever you write something officially or whenever you use written English, do not use informal contractions. They are used only in informal English when we speak in friendly way, when we speak in casual way. Now, I'll give you very common examples of informal contractions. Okay, so let's start. So first example is lemme, which is informal contraction of let me. Lemme. Let's use it in sentences. Let me go. Let me call you. So in place of saying let me go, let me call you, I am saying let me go, let me call you. So lemme is informal contraction of let me. Next example, kinda, which is informal contraction of kind of. How to use it? Kinda sweet dish, kinda cute baby. So in place of using kind of, I am using informal contraction which is kinda. Alright? Next example, do know, which is contraction of do not know. So it's very common and I'm sure you might have used it or you might have heard people using it. So let's use it in sentence. I do know your name. So in place of saying I do not know your name, I'm saying I do know your name. Alright? Next example is have to, which is contraction of have to. As I told you that we use informal contractions to speak fast in English. So when we say have to in fast way, it sounds like have to. So you say it with me. First you say it slowly, then you say it fast. Okay? So have to. Now say it fast. Have to. So it is sounding like have to. Right? So let's use it in sentence. I have to do this. I have to do this. I have to do this. You got it? Say it with me. I have to do this. I have to do this. Alright, let's take another example. It's very common. Wanna, which is contraction of want to. Let's use it in sentences. I wanna talk to you. You wanna go there? So in this way, we use wanna to ask questions also. How? Do you want to go there? So you see, sentence will become short and shorter. So in place of want to, I'll use wanna. So, do you wanna go there? So do you want to go there becomes, do you wanna go there? And again, it will become shorter. I'll remove to and I'll remove you also. And it will be wanna go there? Like that. So in this way, we use informal contractions when we speak informally. Okay, so do you want to go there becomes do you wanna go there, and again it becomes wanna go there, like that, because we are speaking informally here, in friendly way here. Okay, alright. Wanna get more examples? Let's take another example. Gonna, which is contraction of going to. Gonna. I'm gonna use it in sentence. I'm gonna speak now. I'm gonna speak now. In place of saying I am going to speak now, I'm saying I'm gonna speak now. It's just a way to speak fast in English. Let's take the last example. Amma, which is contraction of am plus going plus to. As you know, is contraction of I am, and gonna is contraction of going to. When we combine them together, we get amma, which is contraction of I am going to. Alright, let's use it in sentences. I'm gonna speak now. When I gave you example for gonna, I said I'm gonna speak now. But here I have combined am plus gonna and got amma. So amma speak now means I am going to speak now. Right? Now another example. Amma open the door. Amma open the door. That means I am going to open the door. Now Amma say bye to you. But before that, if you have liked this video, then please press like. It was all about informal contractions. And thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe by pressing subscribe button below, and you can read my blog posts by clicking exploremoreandlearn.com. Very soon I'll bring another video tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.